Welcome to our workshop. Today, we're taking you through the complete process of cylinder honing and piston machining on a heavy-duty engine. Every engine rebuild begins with careful inspection, precise measurements, and expert machining. In this project, our goal is to restore worn engine components to factory specifications, ensuring maximum performance, reliability, and long service life. The engine has already been completely disassembled, and the cylinder block and pistons have been removed for inspection. Years of heavy-duty operation have left visible wear on the cylinder walls. The original crosshatch pattern has disappeared, and there are signs of glazing, light scoring, and uneven wear. If necessary, the piston is mounted on a precision lathe for light machining. Any rough surfaces are carefully corrected while maintaining the original dimensions. The machining process removes imperfections and restores a smooth finish, allowing the piston to move freely inside the freshly honed cylinder. The piston ring grooves are also inspected and cleaned. Carbon deposits are removed, ensuring the new piston rings fit perfectly and move freely. Proper ring movement is critical for maintaining compression, controlling engine oil, and transferring heat from the piston to the cylinder wall. After machining, every piston is measured once again to confirm correct clearance with the newly honed cylinder. Accurate piston-to-cylinder clearance prevents piston seizure while minimizing unwanted movement during engine operation. At this stage, both the cylinder and piston have been restored with precision machining and are ready for. The machinist carefully measures the piston again using a precision outside micrometer. Measurements are taken at several points around the piston skirt to ensure the diameter is uniform. If any area is outside the manufacturer's tolerance, another very light machining pass is performed. Removing too much material would create excessive clearance, causing piston slap, reduced compression, and increased oil consumption. Next, the piston skirt receives a fine finishing cut. The cutting tool removes tiny imperfections left by previous wear, leaving a smooth and consistent surface. This smooth finish reduces friction between the piston and cylinder wall while improving engine efficiency and durability. After machining, the sharp edges are lightly deburred to remove any burrs created during cutting. This prevents damage during installation and ensures the piston rings can move freely. The piston ring grooves are checked with precision gauges. Carbon deposits have been completely removed, allowing the new piston rings to move freely. Proper ring movement is essential for maintaining compression, controlling engine oil, and transferring heat from the piston to the cylinder wall. The wrist pin bore is also inspected for wear and alignment. If the wrist pin fits perfectly without excessive clearance, the piston is approved for assembly. This inspection helps eliminate unwanted engine noise and vibration. After all measurements are confirmed, the piston is polished lightly to remove any fine machining marks. The polished finish reduces friction during the engine break-in period and improves overall engine efficiency. The piston is then washed with a cleaning solution and dried using compressed air. Every oil passage and ring groove is cleaned thoroughly to remove the smallest metal particles. A perfectly clean piston protects the new engine components from premature wear. Before assembly, a thin coat of clean engine oil is applied to the piston skirt, wrist pin, and ring grooves. This lubrication prevents dry contact when the engine is started for the first time after rebuilding. Piston rings are installed using a piston ring expander tool. Each ring is fitted carefully to avoid twisting or breakage. The ring end gaps are positioned according to the manufacturer's specifications to provide the best sealing performance. We bring you real heavy-duty engine rebuilding, precision machining, welding, restoration, and workshop techniques from start to finish. Thank you for your support